Naka-evacuation alert ang ilang ari-arian sa Squamish, British Columbia dahil sa di pa makontrol na wildfire doon. Ang pinagmula ng apoy, sinasabing human caused. Ang report mula kay Rhea Santos.
Medyo sanay na po kasi last 2013 yung pinaka-worst po dito na napalibutan po kami ng fire. Pero yung ganito kalapit is first time po to.
Naka-evacuation alert na ang higit 100 ari-arian sa Squamish, British Columbia. Dala ng halos 5 ektaryang wildfire doon na nagsimula Lunes.
Nagpe-prepare na po yung medications, yung tubig, yung mga papers na mga documents, naka-ready na po. Then yung truck po namin is naka-set up na rin po siya. Naka-prepare na yung gas, tubig, lahat, yung mga basic essentials. Yes, yung nasunog nga po is famous trail dito sa Squamish, tsaka campsite.
We have declared a state of local emergency this morning to ensure we can access all provincial resources available to us.
Katulong ang BC Wildfire Service, pinangunahan ng Squamish Fire Rescue ang pag-apula sa apoy. 3 helicopters ang umiikot sa area para magbagsak ng tubig. Aminado ang mga pamatay sunog, malapit ang apoy sa residential areas.
Our focus for Squamish Fire is setting up sprinkler protection for the strategic infrastructure such as homes. And there is some critical infrastructure on the top of the mountain that we're also mindful of.
Hamon din daw ang lagay ng panahon sa pag-apula ng wildfire.
Wind is a big factor as well as terrain. This is a very steep and austere location. There's lots of rockfall, lots of danger trees that have come down over the night.
This is going to be the huge challenge for our crews on this fire. There's going to be places that are inaccessible to work, which is going to make this a drawn-out event. We're right now focusing on getting containment at the south and west to protect the homes.
I guess we're used to it. And my daughter would say, live in a forest, expect a fire. We're ready to go if we have to go.
Patuloy na iniimbestigahan ng sanhi ng wildfire na sinasabing human caused. Rhea Santos, OMNI News, Vancouver.